guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am coloring my hair purple, and I just wanted to get this done quickly, so that's why I decided to just do a voiceover because I thought I would get this color done much faster. So I am going to be using the colors aquamarine blue and virgin pink, and I'm going to mix them together to create this shade, which is Girls Night, and I'm going to use some white conditioner to get it the light pastel purple shade that I want. The reason why I am using the conditioner mixture is because I still have some Girls Night in a bottle. I think the bottle was like half full, so it wasn't going to be enough to cover my entire head, so I had to make some more using the blue, pink, and the conditioners. So I start from the bottom and I'm working my way up. You're going to see me coloring not my whole entire head, because as short as I was trying to make these clips, as you can see, they are all a bunch of clips put together, because I wanted to make this video as detailed as possible, but as short as possible, because I didn't want to make it too long, and I can't upload videos that are more than 15 minutes long on my channel right now, because my channel is not monetized at the moment. So as you can tell from, if you scroll back to the very start of the video where I am showing off my roots a little bit, you can see that I still have a hint of pink. You can even see as well in this clip here that I still have a little bit of a hint of pink in my hair, and even a little hint of the teal blue that I had from my last hair coloring video. So but this covers it up very nicely, I find, so I wasn't too worried about it showing through. I was at first, but I decided, you know what, let's just go ahead and do it, because I don't think I'm gonna get it out or get it faded any more than that unless I want to do a bleach bath, and that's something I absolutely do not want to do. Alright, you guys, I have had this in my hair for about half an hour now. As you can see, I changed my shirt, but I'm gonna hop in the shower now and I'm gonna rinse out all the purple and we'll see how it looks, and I'll be back with you guys after it's dry and styled. Alright, you guys, I am finally finished. My hair is amazing. Like, I think this is the best my hair has ever looked, besides when I had it first colored pink. I absolutely adore this, and I actually like that it came out a little darker than I planned. Just like when I did the pink, I thought it looked better if it was a little darker than pastel, and I didn't think it would look good that way, but it actually does, and I am so happy. So that is my purple hair. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I can't wait to color my hair with you guys again this coming summer. I will talk to you guys soon.